¿Lo oyes? ¿Lo oyes?
Good morning, guys. We finally had a good sleep after 4 or 5 days, and I'm really rested right now. So we spent the night at the camping and just drove about half an hour, and we're now at the desert of Almeria, tavernas and all that, and we came across something really nice. Oh, she's nice too, but look at this. This is what they call mini Hollywood, and look at this. It's all like a theme park. It's super cool. Unfortunately, we really can't get in today because they only open on Fridays. But I'm gonna see if I can fly the drone above it so that you can see and we can all see what's actually inside. That's the cool things about this desert is actually Spain has a bunch of them throughout the whole country, but in this one here in southern Spain, in Almeria, there have been like filmed and scored so many movies. Also very old American Hollywood movies. They just came here. It was super cheap to film, it was super easy to get all the permissions and all that. So, and recently I still don't know exactly where, but somewhere around here also a few scenes from Game of Thrones were filmed. And yeah, let's go and find out more awesome places. We just walked the Sergio Leone Rambla, like the street where supposedly he was filming a lot and doing his nice movies back a few years ago. And now we're here on some of the highest parts of the Sierra, and I have to say this is like so big. I mean, you have 360 desert and so many sneaky little tricky little flies. Jesus Christ. We were actually going to the Alcazaba in Almeria, but it is closed today because it's Monday, and so we decided to keep going. And over there is Agua Dulce, a nice small town, but now we're here. We're gonna do a pit stop, eat a bit to fill our bellies a little bit, and then we'll go down there somewhere to find a small private cala for us and have some nice fun and do some snorkeling, because I believe many fishes down there.
Wow.
Oh my lord!
¡Qué miedo!
Nice! Do you like the beach? So guys, we arrived at this little cala here. It's pretty small. Rocks, as you can see. Crystal clear water. I think we're good here. It's also not the cleanest one. We've seen some garbage over there that has come from the sea. People are really pigs sometimes. But we're gonna have some nice snorkeling here. I'm happy and I really can't wait to do so. Unfortunately, my GoPro still has not the lateral side deck, so I won't be able to film inside the water, which I'm really sad. So let's go and swim a little bit. Look at those beautiful colors. Look at that. Super beautiful stones. Well, I think we didn't like this little beach too much because you couldn't really see too much underwater. It was a little bit everything, a little bit blurry and all that, so we're gonna try a little bit and then we'll go to the next one, so I'm super excited. Say hi to the camera!
Hi!
Oh my god. Well guys, we're driving now to Lanjaron. We've had a very special day today because we woke up and drove to the desert. Then later on we went to the beach, and now we're going to the mountains. We're going to Sierra Nevada, which is now about 40 minutes from where we're driving. In total 1 hour from the beach we were. It's a range of mountains here in Andalusia in the province of Granada, and it also has the biggest and highest mountain in Spain, which is the Mulhacén. And we're going to this small, beautiful, super awesome village which is named Lanjaron, and it's famous because it has some of the most amazing waters in Spain. We'll see some rivers, some cascades and some other stuff. I'm super excited, and as it's late now, it's about 6 p.m. We'll arrive there 6:30, and we'll go to visit a little bit the town and see some beautiful places around there, and tomorrow we'll do the nice hiking and all that, but that will be probably in the next vlog, and of course I'll take the drone with me. For now, this is the update. Let's see how Lanjaron looks like.